What's up, YouTube? It's back with another banger, and so today I'm gonna be like playing with slime, and if this get 100,000 likes, then I will give away some slime for free. It's only gonna be like $2 or like $3. It don't matter. Comment down below and like this video and share with friends. Alright, let's turn this camera around. Yeah, I do got that new iPhone 11 though. New iPhone 11 though. Oh my god, let's go. It's gonna be dark in here, don't worry guys. So dark. There we go. So dark in here. Let's get it. It's lit. Guess what? Alright. Wow. So I'm gonna be giving away this slime, but I'm gonna be like, it's dark again. So remember what I said? If I get 100 likes, then I will be giving away this good slime. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this boo-boo slime. It's a nice slime. Should I put it in my phone? Stay tuned. No, I'm just playing. I will never do this to this pressure foam. So, listen what I said. This is like, has a lot of confetti and stuff in it. It's like if you do that, it will make like little baby handprints. But even weirder, like if you play with it today and it will be all bubbles around it, and then the next morning, it's gonna be like this. Smashed. This is a very good song. I told you, y'all. Oh yeah, I got some braces. Very whack. Wasn't very, Ow. This slime is sticky. Alright, let's go. I will be making, comment down below what kind of slime y'all will be making, and I'll go on a video and do it, and I'll give you a free shout out. And we're doing a giveaway for like $2 million. If somebody can like this video, share with your friends and like this video. And we're getting 2,000 likes. If this video can get 2,000 likes, share and subscribe and turn on notifications. Then I will be sending somebody a lucky winner to get $2,000. Alright, so let's go. Some good slime, I swear. Like, look at the stretchiness. I might go like that. Wow. It is very little bit sticky, but not that sticky. It's so small in here. I can't even sit. Whoa, so sticky. So, don't worry what's in the background. It's just people talking. I should have did this in that room, but no, somebody's sleeping in there. So basically what you want to do, there's somebody right there. Basically you want to shoot or go like this. And you can't take it out if you want. It's up to you. Wow. Thick. Nice. And thick. make a bubble, guys. Smooth it out. Let me get the camera. Just smooth it out. And then let's bring it up. Oh, I can see myself in the camera. Wow. So basically what I was saying, let's smooth it like some piece of bread, put some chocolate on it, smooth. And I will be, in my next video, I will be teaching people how to make slime. If you already know how to make it, then just, it don't matter, just copy. Look at this thing. Oh. This is very crunchy, just hear it. It's like a wow. Let's put this little gem in it. Watch these. And I will be giving out free Alpha 11s. Just like the video, share, and follow me on Snapchat. My thing is gonna be down below. And subscribe and turn on notifications. So we'll put this back in this box. This is supposed to be for food, but it don't matter. Just put it in here. Smooth. 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 Alright, so basically it should look like this. Just go to any Walmart if they have any gems like these. Like, this is not, hold on. This is not, this is hard, but they're not the foam kind. But I was trying to get the foam kind, and now I only saw these. So just get the foam kind. If you see these, like little baby things of these, I don't think y'all can see it. Alright, there you go. Like little things of these, then yeah. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Right, let's put it in. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, like this video, and if I get 1,000 subscribers, then I will give away some free iPhones like this and some iPhone 11s. Don't forget, subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!